Julius Michael Johannes X, and I'll tell you what X stands for at the end of the video, was born in Frauenfeld in Switzerland and was one of the earliest industrialists to introduce health insurance, pensions, and two-day weekends for workers. In the late 19th century, Europe had started industrializing, and when women came into the workforce, factory workers did not have enough time to cook at home, and malnutrition was very common. Fridolin Schuller was a doctor and nutritionist who researched this problem and recommended a diet of dal for these workers. And Mr. X invented a method to process pulses to make one of the world's first instant soups. You just had to add water. This became hugely popular with workers and is credited with preventing malnutrition in Switzerland. One of the methods he invented was acid hydrolysis that allowed you to take plant protein and turn it into a concentrated cube that had the flavor of meat because of glutamic acid, MSG, and threonine. X pioneered industrially produced plant-based bouillon cubes. He also introduced another maida-based product that worked like pasta, but it didn't quite take off. Mr. X died in 1912 and his company was acquired in 1947. Fast forward to 1958, Momofuku Ando invented flash frying, where you rapidly dehydrate your food in hot oil. This way, you could now rehydrate it much quicker than Mr. X's original method. And in the 1960s, the Japanese flash frying method was applied to Mr. X's original product and was introduced in India in 1983. Mr. X was Julius Michael Johannes Maggi.